Okay guys, this is day 3 on those baby birds hatching. They've already hatched. If you saw in the last episode, we never really got to see them hatch. I'm sorry about that. Whatever, there's a bunch of videos on there. But they're squirming in there. I want to see how they're doing. Whoops. Yep. There they are. There's all 3 of them cuddling. Yep, they're ready for food. Guys, also this is going to be a quick update video also for you guys. I like YouTube, but it's a lot of work to it's kind of like a lot of work to upload. So I'm not going to be doing YouTube often. I'm going to do videos. I'm not going to stop. It's just, sometimes I might stop for a while. So anyways, I'll give you one more check-in on the birds. Don't leave yet. And keep your donuts fresh.